If your blinds at home look like this, like they're broken or missing, these two are broken and just taped. It's missing here, and it kind of looks horrible. I'm going to show you how to replace your blind uh, in your own home pretty easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to measure the window. So you want to measure it in two places. You want to measure it inside dimensions here. We're at 34.5. You want to do the same thing down here at the bottom, 34.5. So you want to write down that measurement, 34.5 inches wide. Then you want to measure the height. We're at 44 inches high. And you want to write down those measurements. So you got 34.5 wide by 44 high. And we're going to head out to the orange store, and we're going to pick up a new blind, and I'm going to show you how to install it. So there's a bunch of different styles that you can get. If you remember, our size is 34.5 by 30 by 44. So you've got, this goes in full inches, like 34 inches by 72. This is room darkening shade, and it's $26. You can come over here, more economical. Here's one here for 30. That's 34 inches. That's $12. Remember, it's going to go 33, 34, 35, 36 inches, 46 inches. We're at 34.5, so we're going to take it down to 34 inches, and this is the one that we're going to get for 12 bucks. All right, so I laid out everything on the bed here. It's very, very simple. You've got the shade, you've got the arm that opens and closes the shade, you've got your two brackets, and your screws for the brackets. So first thing you want to do is you want to remove the existing one right here. Let's get rid of that one. And we look, we've got screw there, they're Phillips. So you can use a drill like this, or you can use just a regular Phillips head if you wanted to. Gonna fit? All right, so we've got those removed. Now you'll see these clamps right here. They're gonna go up just like this, okay? One on each side, just like this. Sometimes if it's a wider one, it's gonna have a third one for the middle. But we wanna look right here, because this is how it's going to go in. You've got the little hook right here, and then that snaps down just like that. So we want to make sure when we're putting in our brackets that we're in the middle of something here. Just like this one here, we want to make sure that this one is going to be right there. So this one we can install pretty easy, maybe like an inch in. So we'll take this one out. Let's get a screw. Okay. Put it right here. Line it up right there. Now you can pre-drill your holes if you want to. They've got one real solid there. Now this one, we have to make sure that we're putting it pretty much right in there. So we're going to be, let's just say, a ½ inch out from the top right here, right about there. So I'll line it up there. The other one. Gotta make sure you're straight. Right there. Now, you take these right on top. Make sure you've got the same amount of distance here, and then snap them down into place. This type of blind, it's cordless, so you go like this to open and close. You want to make sure that this is your hook, this is your eye. You want to make sure that your eye is facing you on the left-hand side so that you can put this on and then open and close the blinds, just like that. So I bring it down, open and close, and there you go. Just like that, your new blinds are open. Pretty simple. Hope this helps you guys out. Visit That Handy Dad YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys on the next video.